All right, time now to look at the weather forecast. We've got some chances of rain here in North Texas. It's been a wet spring leading into summer here. Haven't really seen a lot of the sprinklers going off and all that because it seems like every couple of days we get another shot of it. And you keep wondering, where are those hundreds?
I know. Well, at least for now, we're going to keep them away.
Just keep them out as long as we can.
Yes, that's the one good thing that comes from some of the rain and the clouds that we have beginning across North Texas. We're keeping the 100-degree temperatures away from us for now. So we have not hit that yet. The potential, I'm sure it's coming eventually. But we're going to go back down to the hill country just to kind of show you what's going on there. Obviously, they've been dealing with way too much rain, but it is still raining in parts of the hill country. You can see the showers and storms out to the west and also just off to the east. We have some storms that have been redeveloping, causing some flooding issues. The unfortunate news is this evening there's still going to be that potential of maybe a few isolated showers overnight tonight. It generally does look dry, but by the time we get into late tomorrow afternoon and evening, we're going to see some rain and storms developing on the eastern sides of the hill country, but that could also impact some of those lakes and rivers around there. So we'll be watching that very closely, but the trend is that it should be drying out over the next few days. So looking at our Clyde Warren Park camera here in Dallas, well, things are pretty quiet. We've been pretty lucky here, and because of the clouds and the rain that we did have earlier, temperatures have been a little bit below normal. We're at 88 degrees in Dallas, but 79 degrees right now in Sherman, 79 in Gainesville, 89 degrees in Granbury. Satellite and radar showing some of the showers and storms that we've had since earlier this afternoon. But zooming in just a little bit closer, we've had some storms develop right around Sherman. Those continue to lift to the north and weaken, but still a couple of lightning strikes. Also some showers and storms that have been in between Sulphur Springs and Leesburg. Those continue to weaken and fall apart, and that's going to be the trend as we get a little bit closer to sunset, what it has been really over the past few days. So overnight tonight, I think skies look partly cloudy. We're going to be dry by early tomorrow morning, though. We're going to see those rain and storms redevelop basically right over the Metroplex. And then that coverage starts to expand a little bit more as we go throughout the afternoon and into early evening. But once again, as we get closer to sunset, most of the rain and storms, eventually those go away again. So for tonight, temperatures will be dropping down into the low to mid 70s, about 74 tomorrow morning in Dallas, 74 in McKinney, 75 in Terrell. And then tomorrow afternoon, because of the clouds and the possibility of rain, especially early in the day, I expect the rain to be out of here late in the afternoon or early evening. So that could give us some potential to see those temperatures climb a little bit more. 90 in Dallas, 93 in Denton, 92 in Fort Worth, and 92 tomorrow in Waxahachie. But we're not done with the rain just yet. Yes, we have the chance of rain tomorrow morning into early afternoon, but by Wednesday, we could see more rain and storms redevelop. On Thursday, the coverage of storms, it goes down quite a bit. So we should be drying out as we get closer to the weekend. Friday and Saturday look dry. Temperatures look warmer because of that. But on Sunday, rain chances, they're going to slowly try to creep back in. So we'll see what happens. But for tonight, we're looking dry across the Metroplex, partly cloudy. It's still going to be warm and humid. We're dropping down to about 74 degrees tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, scattered rain and storms, especially early in the day. It still looks hot and humid. We're looking at that high of about 90 degrees. Your 14-day forecast showing the rain chances linger through midweek, but they go down significantly for Thursday. So temperatures, they go up, but not significantly, only 93. We're looking at 94 on Friday. On Saturday, we're back in the mid-90s. On Sunday, the rain chances return, so temperatures come back down. Looking at the second half of that 14-day, it doesn't look as unsettled. We do have a couple of days in there where we do have some rain chances, but because it is looking drier, temperatures start to warm up a little bit more. We do see those temperatures climbing back into the mid and upper 90s. But Jason, just like what we were saying earlier, there's still no 100 degrees in the forecast, at least for now.
That does not hurt my feelings. Thank you, Cassie. Appreciate that.